If your hair's been through color, bleach, heat, chemical treatments, and it's showing it, this mask might be for you. This is Dove Hair Bond Strength 10-in-1 Serum Mask. And it's formulated with bioproteins, and it's a peptide complex. It helps repair damaged hair from the inside out. And it's the #1 bestseller on Amazon in masks. But there is one thing I didn't love about it. But first, let's talk about the things I did love about it. It uses bioproteins, which helps rebuild and strengthen the bonds from the inside out of the hair. It's similar to what to expect from a professional treatment. The peptide complex also helps restore softness and elasticity, so your hair feels soft and healthier and more resilient even after just one use. So the 10-in-1 formula helps with all 10 different treatments every time you use it. So it comes in this 9.2 fluid ounce jar. So you get plenty of product, and so that, I feel like that's a real value. So I'm going to open it up. This is a brand new one. And almost, so it's pretty thick. And I just like putting it through the strands of my hair and leaving it on. It says to leave it on 1 minute, and that's the thing I didn't like, because I feel like the longer I leave it on, the better my hair feels. But if you only have 1 minute, they say it can do a great job in 1 minute. But typically I like to use it, probably every 2 to 3 washes. And I'll wash my hair. I do a double wash, and then I put this on and I leave it on, just while I'm washing the rest of my body. So maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes, depending on if I have to shave my legs and stuff like that. But great product, great value. I have told all my friends about this. So I hope that helps you out, and I hope you try it and enjoy it.